Assalomu alaykum hammaga, hurmatli YouTube tomoshabinlarimiz. Bugun sizlar bilan telefonda Dalasa 2026 o'yinini o'ynaymiz. Qani birinchi o'rinda nima deydi? Bonuslarni olaymiz. Olmasam imkoniyat 73 ta. Xo'sh, Luizimiz de almashtirib olaylik. Joyda bosib kuchaytiramiz. Xo'sh. Diaz, Dani Diaz. Endi Diaz ikkita. Yana bitta kim aka? Wilson. Shuncha kimda bor yosh bolaga o'xshaydi. Wow. Shunaqalar ham kelibdi. Mirzoyev
Mirzoyev va Abdulaziz kanalga obuna bo'ling va like ayamanglarchi. Qani ko'raylikchi. Bugun sizlar bilan Dalasa
o'ynayapmiz.
Dalasa yangi
Referee very much in control of this game and he hasn't had to show a card. Passed well.
Qahramonlik qattiq bo'lyapti.
Roblox juda yangilanyapti.
They're moving the ball forward. Perfectly executed. Pulls the trigger. Oh, he tried his luck there, but it's just off target.
Do'stlar. Xo'sh. Videoga like va obuna bo'linglar.
What a ball.
Xo'sh, patkat.
He dribbles the ball forward. He's given the referee a decision to make here. That is a bad foul.
Parma.
The game seems to be mostly played in the losing team's half. Time for a change of tactics, perhaps.
They're behind and will need to get something here with this attack. He's got control of the ball.
Easy challenge. He's gone for it. That chance is gone. He should be hitting the target. Great ball. Oh, awful challenge. Oh, well intercepted. Oh, there's an opening here. Close lead here, but can they hang on until full time? Makes the pass. A strong tackle. The end of the game is approaching. Can they rescue the result with a late goal? Surely now. Baylor saves. Passed into the box. An easy save. It looks like they're going to do it. And it didn't happen for them. They didn't complete the scenario, but they'll come back stronger.
Yana nimalar?
Bitta vartabonda almashtirsa
Real Barça 3 bo'pti, bo'xtayapti.
ko'ryapsizlarmi? Real.
Realmi? Necha? Yo'q, menchami orqaga tortilib ketyapti.
Da, meniki ham.
Nechta ekan? Tangam 127 ta. O'sha Gulerni olganman-da. Gulerni olganman. Kuchaytirakchi. 3 ta kuchaytiramiz aka.
84lik kerakda.
84 bo'pti. 70
74lik ulardan qo'yli.
Qana 74.
Bitta vartabon.
Xo'sh, varatani ham kuchaytirib, 4 bo'lsa 58. Shu do'stlar bitta varat olishim kerak-da men. Buni tuzatsa bo'larmikan? Buni 3 ko'ra.
85lik.
Zigirni ham kuchaytiramiz. Olmosni bosib yuboribman do'stlar. Onda olmazsa kuydim. Endi ehtiyotkor bo'laman. Kuchaytirdim. Buni ham kuchaytiramiz endi. Xo'sh. Eng qiziqchi yes, yana bitta bonus bor ekan. Xo'sh, kanalga kiringlar. Birinchi o'rinda men kanalimga kiringlar.
Like ayamanglar.
Hozir 150 ta tangam bor edi. 15 tasi ayrilarmikan?
And he stayed onside.
Yo'q, ketdi.
What a chance!
Gol.
It's low and accurate into the bottom corner. A real striker's finish, and the manager will be really pleased. It's a technical
Hurmatli
change.
do'stlar, gol urdim.
Makes a throw in.
Green
The substitutes are getting ready. Will the coach be looking to change things soon? With the match level, both teams are looking to press home their attack. Oh, this is crisp passing. He's taken back possession.
Shotlarim hozir. Kim ko'rdi? Ana qaranglar. Mana chotladim-da hozir. Yo'q, chotlamabman. Orqaga qaytaramiz.
Bitta offside yo'qmi?
Offside bas, men chotladim. Ayo, chotlamabdi.
Passed well. He's moving it around. He dribbles the ball forward. Oh, he gave the goalkeeper no chance. That was a terrific goal. He took the ball through the entire team. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. The goal now will change the game. There's still time to salvage it. Lovely pass. Oh, determined challenge there. Well read. Oh, that's well played. He's shaping to shoot. Out of the danger zone there. What a ball. Fans are unhappy. He pulled down that player who was through on goal. Surely this will be a red card. He shoots. He saves the long-range shot. And there's the final whistle. They've managed to complete this scenario today.
Yetadi.
Dream Draft bilmasa qo'yil.
Dream Draft qaysi?
Dream Draft hali kuni o'ynadiku, sariq futbolchilar oldiku.
Ha. Umi.
Dream Draft bilan qo'yil.
Bola berilmaydimi ekan? Xo'sh, do'stlar.
Team are lining up in a 4. Let's look at the away team.
Finalda bor.
Do'stlar, ko'ramiz.
A precise pass.
Qiziqmi?
Davay, Abdullah.
He slid for the ball, but missed. He's given the referee a decision to make here. That is a bad foul. He's going for it. Oh, I can't believe he shot from there. What a waste. And their first shot of the day is off target.
Santiago Bernabeu.
He's flicked it forward. Great pass. What an opportunity. Top class finish there. That was a valuable goal. They're leading in the final. A determined finish. He picked his spot and the goal was never in doubt.
olamiz. Yaxshimisilar, omonmisizlar? Ovoz chiqmay qo'yaversin. Xo'sh. O'zi ham to'lamidi? Ovozi qancha edi? Arda Güler. 3 daqiqada soldim? Ham qoldi. Hozir davom ettiray. Endi.
Offside.
Offside. Xo'sh do'stlar. Xo'sh, paketdan berani.
Do'stlar, Mirzobek 888 ga ham obuna bo'ling.
Yonimda Mirzobek shuncha yetyapti.
Voy. Yetib qo'yadi endi chiqib turgan YouTube'ga.
Paket berib o'ynash kerak-da ularga. Chiqadi-da.
Do'stlar, shuni 100 ta obuna chiqdilar.
Endi 51 ta bo'ldi.
Meniki 54 ta.
Qanday debdi hozir?
Videolarimiz to'lib ketyapti.
Ne, budjet tashladimi yarmidan ko'pni? Hozir 26 tacha video qoldi. Konferensiya qizil.
What?
O'rata qo'yim. O'ziga almashtirib turay. Hutchinson.
Bularga pas desa,
Güler shapayaq ekan.
bular o'sibdi. O'sha tuglarni ko'p bo'ladi u.
Chap tarafda kelgan gullarni ko'p bo'ladi. Shapayaqda tekish kerak uchun
Tuglarni oladi. Vinicius ham.
qilmadim.
Voy, yana.
Yumayo. Hakam ularga ekan, nima qilyapsiz? Endi Hutchinsonni ham orqaga surgizdirib yuboramiz. Güler bilan o'ynaydi.
Rudigerga nima? Ikkita qizil. Ota.
Eng qizig'i birinchi taymda. Hozir ularga men kubida berib qo'ymayman. YouTube'da nima bo'ladi? Xo'sh do'stlar.
Ikkita qizil, oyle. Güler ham gol sotinchi yig'layapti, nona Güler.
Yig'lab tushdi. Do'stlar, hozircha videoni uzib turamiz. Ko'p gap turganda nima qilaman? Yaq.